Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 3rd January 2021. So let us see which are the important articles. So all the articles relates to prelims examination, so we will take input accordingly. The first article on page number 1, Assam throws lifeline to its only Ramsar site. So what is important, which is this Ramsar site and what is Ramsar site and Ramsar convention. So दीपर बिल, ठीक है, तो बिल जो होता है इट इज वेटलैंड, ठीक है, तो उसको हम इंडियन लैंग्वेज में बिल बोला जाता है. सो दीपर बिल वेटलैंड ऑन द साउथ वेस्टर्न एज ऑफ गुवाहाटी एंड आसाम्स ओनली रामसर साइट. प्रीलिम्स के लिए ये इंफॉर्मेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. Deepor bill. Okay, so here actually the prohibition order has been there for community fishing during the festival season that is done. Deepor bill was designated Ramsar site in 2002 for sustaining a range of aquatic life forms besides 219 species of birds. A Ramsar site is a wetland designated to be international importance under the Convention on Wetlands on February 2, 1971. सो रामसार जो है ईरानियन सिटी, वहाँ पे ये रामसार कन्वेंशन पास किया गया था एंड इट केम इनटू लेट्स से एक्ट और फोर्स इन 1975. Okay, so because of this adoption of Ramsar Convention on 2nd February, it is celebrated as World Wetland Day. Prelims के लिए ये भी information important है. Fine. So what are the threats to this deeper bill? Along with this community fishing, expansion of city, encroachment upon the natural channels through Guwahati and from hills around, the municipal waste dumps at Boragaon almost on the edge of wetland. ठीक है, तो ये सारे threats है wetland. Fine. Take input for prelims examination. Next, experts suggest ways to reduce hazards posed by birds to the flights. तो Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History. This is non-profit organization headquartered in Anaikatti, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. It has given one report named Best Practices for Mitigation of Hazards Posed by Birds to Aircrafts, and in that it has given recommendation in a sense. Habitat management should be there, aimed at reducing the attractiveness of sites for challenging birds species by reducing availability of food, water, cover and roosting sites. Okay, so this habitat management, along with that there can be ornithological training for air traffic control staff focusing on problematic birds would help. There should be a database that is to be prepared for all bird species in 10-kilometer radius of airports. Need for awareness creation and public participation. Feeding of birds by the people close to airports should be discouraged and stopped. Along with that, there should be discouraging slaughterhouses and dumping of waste very close to the airports to avoid carnivorous birds like kites. To stop crows, food waste dumping in the areas around the airports must be relocated. To keep the waterfalls and water birds away from the airports, it calls for filling areas near the runway where water stagnates with earth and cover the banks of water bodies with nets. ठीक है, तो ये अप्रोच होना चाहिए so as to reduce the hazards posed by birds to flights. Expert advice. Okay, Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History. So यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और जो बॉम्बे नेचुरल हिस्ट्री BNHS सोसाइटी है, इनका कोलैबोरेशन होके ये सेंटर ओपन किया गया है. सो इसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हेडक्वार्टर जो है इट वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 1990 एंड हेडक्वार्टर अनाईकट्टी. दिस इज लोकेटेड in Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve at the tri-junction of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and we can say Karnataka. तो वहाँ पे नज़दीक में लोकेशन है उसका. फाइन. नेक्स्ट, woolly rhino from the ice age found in Russia. So woolly rhino, the species from Ice Age. Now, a well-preserved Ice Age woolly rhino with many of its internal organs still intact have been recovered from permafrost in Russia's extreme north. Now, this permafrost has been recently melting because of global warming, increasing temperatures, and new, let's say, discoveries have been there in recent years, like mammoths, woolly rhinos, Ice Age fall, and cave lions cubs have been, let's say, discovered. Now this carcass have been, let's say, the scientists are saying that it is from 20,000 to 50,000 years old, and it was found on the bank of Tirik Tak river in Abishk district, close to the area where another young woolly rhino was recovered in 2014. That time the researchers called it as Sasha. Okay, it was 34,000 years old. So woolly rhinos were the species of that time, Ice Age. Fine. तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए प्रीलिम्स के लिए, एनवायरनमेंट सेक्शन. हीरोइंस ऑफ चाउ. सो मैगजीन पेज जो होता है उसमें आर्ट एंड कल्चर के लिए आप कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट आर्टिकल हो, whether it is related to, let's say, any dance form or puppetry, music, classical music, instruments. Okay, so any other art forms like painting and all. तो इसके रिलेटेड वो मैगजीन जो अलग से आता है द हिंदू में संडे को, तो वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, वहाँ से कुछ अच्छा आर्टिकल मिलता है, तो हमारे एग्जाम के लिए ले सकते हैं. So this Chau dance form is very famous in Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Purulia Chau among them is very famous. Other forms are like Mayurbhanj and Sarikela Chau, which are practiced in Odisha. Mayurbhanj Odisha and Jharkhand में ये जो होता है Sarikela Chau respectively. Mask is the defining feature of Purulia Chau. Okay, and the stories are taken from Ramayana, Mahabharata and other Puranas. And the Das dramas celebrate the triumph of good over evil. Okay. Recently, this Chau dance form has been used to spread awareness about COVID-19 also. So traditionally, this dance form has been the domain of men, but now the women dancers have entered this male domain, and all women troops sharply on the rise in recent times. Okay. तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Chau dance is the local folk art or dance form. यहाँ पे आपको फोटो दिख रहा है वो कैसे रहता है, देखिए मास्क. ठीक है, तो इसको बोला गया है छाऊ डांस. इट इज हैविंग ओरिजिन, वी कैन से दैट द मार्शल मूवमेंट्स एंड मॉक फाइट सब्सिक्वेंटली टुक द शेप डांस. ठीक है, तो अर्लियर जो मार्शल आर्ट्स जो फाइटर्स होते थे, फुट सोल्जर्स, उनका जो स्टेप्स का जो यूज किया गया है, अभी डांस फॉर्म सब्सिक्वेंटली हुआ है, राइट, डेवलप हुआ है. Okay, so such kind of prelims question. Consider the following statement about the Chau dance form. So yes, which of the following statement is above is correct? It is popular in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Correct. Mask is defining feature of Chau dance. Yes. Only male members practice in Chau dance. Participate. Sorry, this is incorrect. So recently the women members are also playing the role of male gods in that, so that's why second answer is 1 and 2 only. Fine. Next, Covaxin gets expert panel nod. Yes, so earlier the Covishield that is developed by SSI, Serum Institute of India, AstraZeneca vaccine has been given the nod. Now this is the second vaccine, Covaxin, that is developed by Bharat Biotech, has been given the restricted use in emergency situation subject to multiple regulatory conditionalities. So this has been given by Subject Expert Committee of Central Drug Standard Organization, CDSCO. Okay, so final decision of approval, Drug Controller General of India will take the final call on approving this to roll out throughout the country. Fine. So Covaxin is the second such vaccine that has been approved by SEC, Subject Expert Committee. Okay. So free vaccination first for 3 crore health frontline workers. Yes. So Government of India has said that free COVID-19 vaccine will be provided to 3 crore healthcare and frontline workers in the first phase of vaccination. So it is said by our ministry, health minister Harshvardhan, and he was let's say taking the stock of nationwide vaccination dry run conducted on 286 session sites spread across 125 districts. Okay, so along with that, the priority list is also being finalized for those above 50 years of age and those below it with having comorbidities. Okay, the next we can say that section of people on the priority list. Fine. Okay, so these were important articles from prelims perspective, especially from the Sunday's newspaper. For further information on editorial discussion classes or ED classes, wherein in-depth analysis of men's related issues and articles is done by Ansari sir and team, you can contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.